Hey guys, Jacob Dupre here at Sweetwater. This is the Arturia KeyLab 88 Mark II. The KeyLab 88 has an 88-key hammer action keybed that's a Fatar keybed, and it also has aftertouch. It has 10 assignable buttons, 10 encoders, and 9 faders. It also has 16 velocity and pressure sensitive pads. One of the best features of the KeyLab 88 is its ability to control DAW software, which I can do pretty easy. Go to DAW right here and already have it set to sync with the DAW on my computer. It comes ready to work with several of the popular ones like Pro Tools and Cubase, Studio One, those kind of DAWs. It will come ready with a setting to work with that. So I already have it on Logic, and you can see here it says DAW Logic. So now I can control a simple thing like my transport controls. So I can fast forward and reverse. I can stop, play my project, play and pause. I can turn the loop on if I want to have a loop region engaged, record, turn off record. There's also DAW controls up here as well, so I can solo a track if I want to. I can also select a track, so let's say right now I'm on track 1. Now I've selected track 2, which is a piano. 3 is my bass, so if I wanted to mute it during playback, or I wanted to solo it so I could just listen to it, like so. You can also enable record, arm or disarm record, turn read mode on and off for your automation. It's also the right button if you want to turn that on. Changing instruments is easy with the buttons here, so I can go between different channels, my different instruments. So now I'm on track 2, track 3. I actually have track 3 soloed, so I'll unsolo that. You can control the level of each track, the volume with the sliders here. So playback. You can also pan left and right. Mapping the KeyLab 88's controls to your DAW is very easy with the MIDI Control Center. Here you just get a full picture of the keyboard itself, so it's very easy to see exactly what you're changing. It's very intuitive. Here, say if I wanted to work on setting up my pad assignments, I can do that just by clicking on each one, and at the bottom here you'll see it opens up the settings for that pad. If I go over to the pitch wheel, here's settings for that, the modulation wheel, and all the sliders and encoders. And again, as I click on each one, the settings open up at the bottom. I can also click on the keyboard. Now I have keyboard settings. So this is where I can change the velocity curve, can change the split mode. Over in device settings, there's more kind of global settings. So you have global parameters, your DAW control. So here's a list of DAWs. Default MCU, default HUI, Live, Logic, Pro Tools, Cubase, Studio One, and Reaper. This has been a quick look at the Arturia KeyLab 88 Mark II. If you have any questions about it, you can call your Sweetwater sales engineer and they'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.